Everyone, and welcome to my channel Options Trader Today. So today in this video I'll explain you how the price of crude has moved in the last week and how the price of crude can move in the next week. See, if you look at the chart of crude, what we have seen, there is a continuous downfall. Okay, and if you look at this particular pattern after lockdown, what we have seen, the price has moved to this particular level and then there is a continuous upside. Okay, and it was increasing at a rapid rate, because if you look at this particular trend of any of the stock or any commodities, what happens is it goes, if it has to move upside, this is how it goes. It will not go directly like this. Okay, it hold for some time. That is how the price we have seen. Okay, this is what we have seen in this particular zone. Okay, similarly, what if the price has to come down, how it will come? It will not come directly like this, it will come like this. Okay, as you can see in this particular range. Okay, similarly, now the price is continuously moving down. Now if you look at this particular trend, you can see clearly that the price of crude is continuously moving down. From the month it has made a half at in Jan of 22. That means in just less than 2 years we have seen the price from minus to $130. People who have invested in this particular level, at this levels, they have made very good profit. But now those who have sold it at this particular level, see, if you look at this trend, two things that you have to understand at these two levels. First thing is that at this particular level, people were thinking that after crossing this particular zone, it will go higher from this level. Okay, from this particular in the month of June of 22. Okay, so what happened at this level, that once the price was moving upside, it is creating this particular pattern. That means whenever it is making new high, we have seen a fall was coming and then a swing is forming at these levels. Okay, similarly, when the price started sustaining this particular level and started making a half around 123, there is a probability that as soon as the price sustain this level, it can break this particular level. Why it is stopped? Because we have seen Russia and Ukraine war. That is where the price has continuously moving down, and till now we have not seen the price has sustained. Okay, looking at this particular chart, what we can see. So before I move ahead and explain you where the price of crude can move in the next week, if you have any doubts, you can mail me at stockmarkettradinglive@gmail.com, and one more mail ID in the description. And please watch the full video so you understand how this technical work, and a Telegram link also given in the description. You can join that too. See, as I've already explained you that the price is continuously down, and if you look at this trend, we have seen it is trying to go on a narrow zone. Okay, if you look at this particular trend from this perspective, okay, or you can say that it is moving in this range, a bigger perspective showing a downside, a narrow trend. But if you look at from the month of 23 September, we can see the prices moving in this range. Okay, and a probability can be there. The first thing is that it is moving in this. Second thing is that overall trend is down. Okay, and this is following this particular trend. And the second pattern is that it is trying to go narrow. Now the third thing that you have to look at this particular level, that it is creating a U pattern and then an upside. So it is creating a particular pattern. So chances are high, as soon as the price started going below $62.3, we can see there can be a further fall. You have to keep that in mind, that if the price started going below 62.3, a further downfall can be seen. Okay, and if you look at this particular pattern, $63.6, which is a support, which is a strong support. If the price started going below 63.6, we can see there can be a further downfall. Okay, because this is the particular support. We have seen the price is touching this level. So if the price goes and didn't bounced, that means if it started going upside this particular level, we can see an upside. But if it started falling below this level, a further downfall can be seen. So suppose if the price started going below that particular level, it can touch a level of 62.3, and once started falling below that particular level, chance of touching 61.6 will be there. After 62.3, after crossing this level, it can touch a level of 61.3, which is already tested. So the price will fall further down, and yes, after that it can go further low towards next level of around $60.8, and this $60.8 is already being tested, so the price will fall further down, and then we can see the price will go towards a level of around, after 60.6 it can come down towards a level of 59. Okay, there is a higher chances that the price can fall further down towards, after 59 we can see a level of 56, then it can move further low towards 55.35. So you have to keep it in mind, as soon as the price started going below this level, chances are very high, a probability of touching 55 after crossing 59, because this is the pattern showing this particular trend. Now see, market is uncertain. If you look at this trend, it is moving on both the ranges. Okay, if you look at these levels are already being tested. Similarly, we have seen these being tested twice. Okay, and if you look at this particular pattern, if the price started going below 55, a further downfall can be seen, because it is creating a pattern and these levels are already being tested. Okay, so suppose if the price started going upside, because see, if it started sustaining this level, probability is less, but you cannot deny market is uncertain. Suppose if it started sustaining this level, we can see it can touch a level of 64.9, and if it started going above this level, probability of touching 66.19. After 64.9 we can see a level of 66.19, and once started crossing above that level, we can see a level of $66.9, and if the price going above that particular level, a further upside can be seen towards next level of $67.3. Okay, and once started going above 67.3, a further upside can be seen $68.4. As you can see, looking at this particular chart, chances of touching $69.2 will be there, and we can see it can touch a level of 70.45. Suppose the price started sustaining above this level, and if you look at this particular trend, this is the trend. We can see a strong support coming at a level of, strong resistance coming at a level of $72.2, and a further upside can be seen, okay, towards 73.98, and if the price going up this level, a further upside can be seen. Any doubt regarding this, you can mail me. I've given the mail ID is also in the description. So hope you like the video, and if you like the video, please give a thumbs up, and if you need to